Hello plant lovers, report with me today the elephant here, or alocasia plant. It's a stunning tropical plant, known for its huge dramatic leaves that resemble the ear of an elephant, making it an instant statement piece in any home or garden. It thrives in warm, humid conditions and loves bright and direct light, making them perfect for both indoor and outdoor settings. It is a fast grower plant and transforms a simple corner into a living greenery feature. And the reason for repotting from a nylon paper to a planter is for better drainage and airflow. A proper pot with drainage hole prevents waterlogging and keeps the plant healthy. Another reason is plants need space for root expansion. A bigger planter gives the elephant ear room to spread its roots and grow bigger leaves. Also, for stronger support and healthier soil and environment.